Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 soldering station. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Soldering Station. The Silverflow 8586D soldering station is a reliable 2-in-1 solution for SMD rework, combining a steady hot air gun and a responsive soldering iron. Its dual digital displays make temperature monitoring easy, while the 10-minute auto sleep mode adds safety and extends tip life. Heating performance is fast and stable, suitable for beginners and professionals. Overall, it's a well-built, efficient, and user-friendly rework station that delivers great value for electronics repair tasks. Number 2. Soldering Station. The Yihua 938BD2740W hot air gun rework station is a reliable and efficient tool for electronics repair. It heats up quickly, and the adjustable temperature control makes soldering and rework tasks easy and precise. The built-in LED lamp is a great addition, providing clear visibility while working on small components. Both the hot air gun and soldering iron perform smoothly, making it ideal for DE users and technicians. A solid, user-friendly station with great value for the price. Number 3. Soldering Station. The AFN A9 Plus soldering station is a powerful and versatile tool for precise electronics work. Its compatibility with 210, 245, and 115 handles makes it flexible for different soldering needs. The temperature control is accurate and responsive, ensuring stable performance during long sessions. The heating is fast and the interface is simple to use. Ideal for repair technicians and hobbyists, this rework station delivers great value with reliable performance and high-quality build. Number 4. Soldering Station. The RF4 New 1000W Fast Desoldering Hot Air Gun Soldering Station is a powerful and efficient tool for PCB and chip repair. Its fast heating system and precise airflow make BGA rework smooth and reliable. The digital display provides clear temperature control, while the intelligent design ensures stable performance during long sessions. Ideal for technicians and DE users, the station delivers strong airflow, quick desoldering, and consistent results. A solid choice for professional electronics repair. Number 5. Soldering Station. The Sugan 8630 Pro 1300W hot air gun rework station is a powerful and efficient tool for professional repair work. Its strong airflow, fast heating, and curved nozzle design make desoldering and BGA rework smooth and precise. The digital display ensures accurate temperature control, while the sturdy build adds reliability for long-term use. Ideal for phone PCB and chip repair, this station delivers consistent performance, making it a great choice for technicians seeking speed and precision. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.